years living in Uzbekistan.
How is your culture and Uzbekistan and around the world? How is the feel they will travel and everything is the people? How's the feeling? Their languages, everything.
It's very nice to live in another person's culture, and in different countries, different kinds of
Yeah.
Tashkent was a very different situation because it's a very closed country. It's landlocked, so it has no sea or anything around it. And so that was a different. And then Myanmar, the people are very friendly in Myanmar, very nice, beautiful people. Mexico also really very friendly. So everywhere is a little bit different in its own way.
Yeah, your food
Absolutely,
also
the food is also different. In Uzbekistan, they had something which they called plov, which I think became pilaf and pilau, and is like a rice dish that sort of shared.
Yeah,
It's
right.
very nice. Yeah.
I
didn't live
India?
in India, but I have traveled to India. So I went to Delhi a couple of times, and I went to Rishikesh, just on the border at the top of India. And then I had a week of kind of holiday in Goa.
Yeah, just you travel the tourist.
Because I didn't have very much time. I would love to spend more time in India, but
yeah, sure.
Yeah, I would love to. I really enjoyed India when I came. Of course, just to the tourist areas, so it's different.
Yeah. What's your plan? You are moved to the England or continue to work
No,
in Spain?
we've actually bought a house, so we own land, and we own a house in Spain, and we're going to create a self-sustainable farm. So we're going to make our own food, grow our own food, and have organic food and solar energy, wind energy, and sort of So it's kind of trying to make our life as easy as possible. So it's a similar idea in a way to kind of try and cut out the middleman.
Yeah,
it's
sure.
Good because they always make the most money, and the consumer and the person doing the work is always the person who loses. Yeah, it's coming down, but it's really interesting to talk to you. I really hope your business plan works. It's a very good idea.
Thank you.
And hopefully we can see each other again in the future, maybe. Okay, great to speak to you, Mohamed. Sure. Well, have a good day.